Hello and welcome back to another episode of Backyard Scientists. And today we have a little bit of an experiment, a little bit of a invention, if you can call it that I want to test out. And I'll call it the rocket chair. Let's call it the rocket chair. So it's a very simple concept. You start this puppy up and you use it like a propeller, right? You use it to propel you. So as you can see, this thing has a bit of a gust to it. It's not a weak thing. So this is the prototype. Take one. So as you can see, you get the concept. That was the prototype. We got spinning a little bit. If I would have kept cranking it, we would have spun, but it was kind of slow, and I think we could do a lot better. So I'll be right back. I've affixed the leaf blower to the side of the chair with duct tape, as you can see. So it's nice and it's pretty, it shouldn't fall off. That's quite a bit of duct tape. So hopefully that helps somehow. So this will be take two, prototype 2. So that was a bit faster, but I'm not satisfied, all right? I want to see how fast I can get this puppy spinning. That's what I came out here to do. This is what I'm doing for scientific pursuit. So I think I'm just going to try a different strategy this time. I'm going to use my leg a little bit more to kick myself, because you need something to get this going, and then this will take. Like, you need to start spinning and then it will blow you, but I'm going to try to, like, you really give her, you know, like paddle. So let's try that out. So I don't know about you guys, but I know that I have learned something very valuable today. So that will conclude this episode of the Backyard Scientists. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'm not joking. Do it. Please. Please. And that will be it. Yeah, bye, I guess. See you in the next one, my guy.